Dreaming of your next trip but dreading the packing process? We've got you covered. Welcome to the Ultimate Packing Guide, where we bring you 10 clever tips and tricks to transform your packing experience. Gone are the days of lugging around heavy luggage or forgetting your favorite beach hat. With our guide, we aim to simplify packing, making it a more enjoyable part of your travel experience. We've selected these tips with care, ensuring they're practical and easy to implement, whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time traveler. So show us some love. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. We love hearing from you and will reply to your comments. And remember, we've saved the best for last. Stay tuned until the end for the #1 tip to pack efficiently and smartly. You won't want to miss it. Tip number 10, roll and vacuum. Who knew that something as simple as rolling your clothes could be a game changer in packing? Well, it is. Instead of folding, roll your clothes. It not only saves space, but also helps avoid those annoying wrinkles. Picture this. It's like turning each piece of your clothing into a little burrito of neatness. But we don't stop there. Enter the vacuum compression bags. These are not just any bags. They are your best friends when it comes to packing. The concept is simple yet brilliant. You put your rolled clothes in, seal them up, and then suck the air out. What happens next is almost magical. Your clothes will shrink down to a fraction of their original volume, leaving you with plenty more space to pack. So, ready to transform your packing experience? So, roll it up and suck it down. Tip number 9, versatile clothing. Now, this is where the fun begins. Imagine a world where your suitcase isn't bursting at the seams, but instead is neatly organized with a selection of clothes that can be mixed and matched for different occasions. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it isn't. The secret lies in choosing versatile clothing. Opt for neutral colors that can be paired with almost anything. A classic white shirt, for instance, can be dressed up for a fancy dinner or dressed down for a casual day out. A pair of jeans, too, can transition from day to night with ease. Also, consider clothing that can serve multiple purposes. A sarong, for instance, can double up as a beach blanket, a towel, a skirt, or a cover-up. Scarves can be used as accessories, head wraps, or even makeshift bags. So the next time you pack, think versatility. Remember, versatility is key. Tip number 8, travel-sized toiletries. When packing for a trip, every inch of your suitcase is precious real estate. One smart way to maximize your space: opt for travel-sized toiletries. These mini versions of your everyday essentials not only save room but also lighten your load. Imagine the difference between lugging around a full-sized shampoo bottle and a nifty travel-sized one. It's not just about weight and space though. Travel-sized toiletries are also a perfect fit for those pesky airline liquid regulations. You can breeze through security without a second glance. Plus, there's the added bonus of finishing these products during your trip, leaving extra space for souvenirs on your way back. So, next time you're gearing up for a journey, remember to think small when it comes to toiletries. It's a simple switch, but it can make a world of difference in your travel experience. Small size, big impact. Tip number 7, layer packing. Picture your suitcase as a 3-tiered cake. The bottom layer is for your heavy items. Think shoes, books, and jeans. The middle layer is for your lighter clothing items like t-shirts, shorts, and underwear. Finally, the top layer is for your delicate items that need to stay wrinkle-free, such as dresses and formal wear. By packing in layers, you can easily access your items without rummaging through your entire suitcase. It also helps to keep everything organized and in place during your journey. And here's a bonus tip. If you're packing items that might leak, like toiletries, make sure to pack them in a waterproof bag on the top layer. This way, in case of any spills, your clothes will be safe. So remember, when packing for your next adventure, think like a baker and layer up. Layer up for easy packing and unpacking. Tip number 6, use packing cubes. Packing cubes, my friends, are a game changer. These handy little containers come in all shapes and sizes, and they can turn your suitcase into a neatly organized space that even Marie Kondo would be proud of. Here's the magic of packing cubes. They compartmentalize your belongings, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. But that's not all. They also save space. By compressing your clothes and other items, you can fit more into less space. It's kind of like having a set of drawers inside your suitcase. Whether you're packing for a short business trip or a month-long vacation, packing cubes can simplify your packing process and make your travel experience less stressful. So, next time you find yourself staring at a pile of clothes and a seemingly too small suitcase, remember this tip: cube it to organize it. Tip number 5, utilize shoe space. Shoes can be a bit of a packing puzzle, but they also hold a secret. Inside each shoe is a perfect little nook for storing small items. Think about it. That's prime real estate going to waste in your suitcase. Now, what can you fit in there? Socks, for instance, are a perfect match. Roll them up and they'll snuggle right in. And it's not just clothing either. Chargers, earbuds, travel-sized toiletries, all can find a home in your shoe. Remember, when you're packing for a trip, every piece of space is valuable. That includes the insides of your shoes. So next time you're packing, don't overlook the potential of shoe space. It's a clever way to maximize your luggage efficiency. So, the next time you're staring down the barrel of a packed suitcase, remember, every inch counts. Tip number 4, embrace the digital age for documents. As we navigate the technological era, there's no necessity for hauling a burly dossier of crucial documents. Instead, think about digitizing your important paperwork, encompassing everything from your passport to your travel agenda and hotel bookings. Possessing digital duplicates can not only spare you some valuable room in your luggage, but also offer an additional safeguard. Picture misplacing your passport in a foreign land. With a digital version readily available, you can speed up the procedure of obtaining a substitute. Remember to securely keep these documents on your device or even superior in a cloud-based service. In this way, even if your device gets lost, your documents remain and available. Also consider that some airlines and hotels acknowledge digital versions, which simplifies and enhances your travel experience. Therefore, when you prepare for your next journey, make sure to always digitize your documents. Go digital, stay secure. Tip number 3, wear your heaviest items. You might be wondering, how can wearing my heaviest items help me pack more efficiently? Well, let's dive into that. Think about that hefty winter coat or those chunky boots you've been dreading to pack. They're bulky, they're heavy, and they take up a ton of space. What if you could magically create more room in your luggage without leaving them behind? The solution is quite simple. Wear them during your journey. By doing so, you're saving precious space and weight in your suitcase for other essentials. Plus, it's a smart way to avoid those pesky, overweight luggage fees at the airport. But remember, comfort is key. Don't overdo it. Wear what you can without sacrificing your comfort during the travel. After all, the journey should be as enjoyable as the destination. So, the next time you're packing for a trip, remember this tip: dress smart, pack light. Tip number 10, pack a laundry bag. Here's a tip that is often overlooked but can make a world of difference: packing a laundry bag. Now, you might wonder why you'd need a laundry bag when you're on vacation. The answer is simple. You're bound to have dirty clothes, and the last thing you want is for them to mix with your clean ones. Think of your suitcase as your temporary closet. Just as you wouldn't want dirty clothes strewn about in your closet at home, you also wouldn't want them in your suitcase. A laundry bag keeps your suitcase organized and clean. It separates the clean from the dirty and prevents any unpleasant odors from permeating your remaining clean clothes. You can opt for a lightweight, foldable laundry bag. They're easy to pack and take up minimal space. So always remember to pack a laundry bag for your travels. Dirty clothes, out of sight, out of mind. And the number 1 tip, use a packing list. Imagine you've arrived at your destination only to discover you've forgotten your charger or worse, your passport. Nightmare, right? A packing list is your ultimate safeguard against these woes. Think of it as a roadmap to a stress-free journey. It not only ensures you won't forget the essentials, but also prevents you from overpacking. Start by listing down everything you think you'll need, from clothes to toiletries, gadgets to personal care items. Jot it all down. Once you have a comprehensive list, it's time to refine. Consider the weather, the activities you'll be doing, and how long you'll be away. Trim down your list to the bare essentials, and voila, you've got a foolproof packing list. Remember, it's not just about packing light, it's about packing right. So, the next time you're prepping for a trip, don't forget your packing list. Stay organized, stay stress-free. And that wraps up our top 10 packing tips. From rolling and vacuuming your clothes to save space, choosing versatile clothing items for multiple outfit options, to using travel-sized toiletries, these tips are sure to make your packing process smoother. We've also talked about layer packing to keep your suitcase organized, using packing cubes for easy access, and the clever trick of utilizing shoe space for small items. And don't forget about digitalizing important documents for backup, wearing your heaviest items to save suitcase weight, and packing a laundry bag to keep your clean and dirty clothes separate. Lastly, we can't stress enough the importance of a packing list to ensure nothing is left behind. We encourage you to try these tips for your next trip and share your own packing hacks in the comments section. We're always eager to learn new tricks from our community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments below. Check out this video for the top 10 must-visit destinations, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.